How important is it to build a brand like right now?
It's beyond important. The brand is not for you, but the brand creates legacy for you.
What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? Have you ever thought to yourself, should I create a brand? Of course you should. You are the brand. Well, what type of content should I be creating? I got you. In this video, I'm gonna take you inside of one of the interviews that I was on to talk about the importance of having a personal brand. And at the end, what type of content to create to not only build your presence, but your authority in your niche. And I'm speaking from being an introvert who used to have a 9-to-5 and now almost 200K followers on social media and 7,000 members in a private community. Shout out to Deeper Than the Brand. So let's get right into it.
How important is it to build a brand like right now?
It's beyond important. I really feel that one, there's two things I say. One, without content, you don't have a brand, right?
Yeah.
Two, if you don't have a brand, we don't know who you are, right? Locally, you could kill it. Yeah. Absolutely. And I'm not knocking anybody who loves their local vibes, made millions off their local vibes. Absolutely. That doesn't mean you don't deserve bigger.
Yeah.
Right? So building a brand is something that is not even for you, it's for others.
Yeah.
Right? Because you actually have a solution that no one else has. Whether from an entertainment standpoint, motivation, education standpoint, whatever your vibe is, you have something that no one else has. And by you putting yourself out there, having it look a certain kind of way, certain kind of consistency, right? You're helping other people, which then will be like, okay, I actually don't really know what you do, but you're always here.
Yeah.
And so here, have my money.
Yeah.
Right? We've seen multiple times where certain people are like, okay, I don't even know if I need this, but I rock with you here. Right? Or you have Cash App, all of a sudden, like, wait, where did that come from? Right? The brand is not for you, but the brand creates legacy for you.
Got it. Because
what you do now in whatever year you're watching this, because I'm not going to date this, right? Whatever year you're watching this, it is cool for right now, but it lasts so much longer. We know of videos of people who've passed because they created a brand, because they started doing content. And now we can go back to it because of a YouTube, because of other platforms that were like, they're lasting long because they created a brand.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it. So now what type of content should I create? So I got you. Here are 5 types of content you should be creating to build your personal brand. First one, educational content. No, I'm not talking about being a teacher or anything, but even in the realm of motivation, education, and entertainment, there's some type of educational content that we could create. Think about it as what is going to add value to your audience. So from a motivational standpoint, you could talk about how to have the right mindset. From an educational standpoint, you could be teaching me how to create t-shirts like this. And from an entertainment standpoint, you'd be telling me how to do pranks or even how to get courtside seats at the next NBA playoff game or finals. I'm just saying. Number 2, storytelling. Literally, that's what it is. Just tell a story. So this builds a deeper connection with your audience. This is highlighting your journey, your challenges, and your success. We want to know more about you. Number 3, behind the scenes. It can kind of combine as with the stories, but you're really giving a glimpse into your creative process or your daily life. A most common example of that is probably vlogs. Real quick, if I'm adding any kind of value to you with this video, I need you to go into the description and subscribe to my newsletter, the Content Corner newsletter. I'm talking about the latest social media updates, AI tools, content strategy, and so much more. And I'm giving you a 30-day social media planner that me and ET did. So I'm gonna need you to go there right now. All right, let's get back to this video. Number 4, interactive content. I'm talking about polls, challenges, Q&A, content like that. This is the type of content that will build engagement. These are the things that will allow your audience to feel safe to give their opinion and see that it actually matters. 5, collaborations. So this is where we partner with other experts or influencers for joint content. Now, for my introverts, because I know you watching, you could do like a remix or a stitch, depending on what platform that you're on, where you're taking somebody else's content and you're actually reacting to it on that platform. Or you could do lives or actually just create content with other collaborators and do a collab post. I'll even give you a bonus one. I like bonuses, I really do. Call this one reaction or your perspective type of content. So this is where you're gonna take like a trending topic and turn it into your perspective and your spin on it based off your niche. This will keep you relevant, and this is where people will start coming to you to see what is happening inside of your niche and inside of your market. Okay, so write these down and tell me in the comments, which one are you gonna concentrate on first? And you know I got a video of which tool that will help you create these pieces of content. So don't go anywhere just yet.